I'm gonna just go back to F2. So from the garage parking here, there will be need for an access here. So we have another door here. This door will be running into this direction, so that's where the vehicle will be parked. So our door will be running towards this direction. We don't need them to be going to an extreme extent. I've just noted something. This one was not fully placed, so maintain it to its position. So that's what we have so far. Let's go back to F3. We can check it with what we have. So far, that is what we have. So far so good. That is what we have. That is it. So what we are lacking so far is this. As we can see on the first story, we are going to need a door with one side light on the side. So this is our window, this is another single door here. So what you're gonna do, go back to door tool, door dialog tool, then check door with side light on one side, then you come to preview and positioning. The width is going to be 1.5 by 2.1 height. Seal to store are going to have 0. Then reveal are going to have 120. So we come to hinge door settings. When you come to hinge door settings, we're going to change everything as to the preference, the same way we had done before. Then we come, the thing we change from the floor plan section. Dimension and marker are okay. So you just come to tags and category, just hit OK. Then we come. So go back to F2. Go to the first story that we need. So we are going to have our side light door here. We put it this way. Hot click out. Then we have that one. And then this at the end. We're going to have a door, a hinge door. I'm simply going to have a hinge door there, and we're going to have a window with no grids. So just check the handle. We continue. We have to check for these ones. Maintain the same material, they need to be the same. Then you check for the gang. Then we wait for the casing as well, and hit OK. So we're going to have one of our door here, get the access to that point. Then before we forget, we have a window here. So we have a window. Let's check a basic window. Take a basic window. Let's take a width of 1.5. Then we're going to check that. The window settings and all those we got. We're going to have to check for that. Let's have it there. Then let's take F3. We click F3. This is what we're going to have. So this is what we're going to have for our windows. We check for our pictorial plan. It has some sort of decoration, so you have to check on that as well. So go back to F2, come to object, text here. But really, let's just get back, come to furnishing, go to decoration, check that one, ventilation blind. You take that blind, then bottom 12 story that, and project 0. So what we're going to check also here. So you just have it placed in this manner. Sorry. If I have it this way, then I'm going to select ctrl+shift+E, then the point where I want to draw it from, ctrl+shift+E. Sorry, let me just get back. Let's do. My F3, and I have my F3, then I just come this way. I'll go for the orbit, I left click, I have it, back to F2, I select, I click it, come back to object. So from bottom to off story, I need it at 2100. Click F2. I have it there. So I have it there. I can easily control it where I need it. So maybe let's say I need it at 1800. But of course I need it on top of this particular window. Let's see, I need it 1 meter. That's exactly what I needed. So already we have it. If you check our plan, from our plan this is what we have. So from here we're going to move to our next stage of the design. Meanwhile this is what we have. You can just check around. This is what we have. That's what we have for now. So for the purposes of designing, as you can see, let's just take a walk, exploration. From our entrance point of view, we are going to have 2 entrances, this entrance and this one. So once we are inside, we are going to do away with this particular wall because we're not going to need it. We're not going to need that wall. This is where our lounge will be. So coming to this edge, let me just correct this silver story of this one, which should be 0. That we have it down there. That's the ground base level, as we had seen before prior to the settings. So as we still continue to explore, so this is the surface area that we have. So we're going to do away with this particular wall into this wall. Let me just get out. Then this is garage. This is the garage we have. This is it. This is it. So stay tuned for more of our tutorial. Our next tutorial we're going to check on how to cut out that wall in 3D and to add on to the staircases. We go back to the interior settings and adding of objects into the building so that we see our full version of the house. So stay tuned for more. Don't go anywhere. If you're new, remember to subscribe, hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of our uploads. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, share, and wait for the next episode. Thank you so much.